If you're building a website with AI, you're probably stuck between Blackbox AI and Claude Code. But one of them will save you hours play, and the other might slow you down. Let's break it down fast. Okay? No fluff blob, so you know exactly which one to use.
The real difference comes down to how much control versus simplicity you want. Here's what happens when you build the same website using Blackbox AI versus Claude Code. And the difference? You wouldn't expect this. On this side, Blackbox AI. Fast, clean, but pretty basic. Now look at Claude Code. More structured, smoother design, and way more polished. One of them works fast, like really fast. But the other one does something completely different. Wait till we go deeper in this. In this video, we will find out the core difference between Blackbox AI and Claude Code, the strengths and weaknesses, what it's good at, and the limitations. Lastly, the head-to-head comparison. Before we start, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Brightenate. In your Visual Studio Code, make sure you install your Blackbox AI in the extension area. Just search the name, then install. Then search for Claude and install. Just check my old videos on how to install this in your VS Code.
But in this video, we're keeping it simple. I'm going to show you how to create a website using these two AI tools. Let's start with Blackbox AI. I just prompted it to create a Waggy Tail Pets website using Blackbox AI inside VS Code. Let's see what happens. Right after I enter the prompt, you can see VS Code with Blackbox immediately starts generating the HTML structure. No delays, no complicated setup, it just goes. And this is where Blackbox really stands out. It's fast, like really fast. It's already building the layout, header, sections, basic structure, almost instantly based on what I asked. You can see it creating the core foundation of the website, navigation bar, hero section, maybe even product or service sections, depending on the prompt. What's interesting here is that Blackbox doesn't overthink. It focuses on giving you exactly what you asked for, clean HTML, straightforward structure, and something you can already preview right away. Now, when we open this in the browser, you'll see it's already usable. It may not be perfect yet, but it's functional, and that's the key. And from here, the workflow becomes really simple. If I want to adjust something, like spacing, text, or layout, I can just prompt again or tweak the code manually. You can also ask Blackbox to improve styling, add CSS, or even upgrade it to Tailwind, so it becomes more of a back and forth process, fast iteration. This is why a lot of people use Blackbox. It's not trying to build everything perfectly in one go. It helps you move quickly, test ideas, and build piece by piece. And for something like this, a simple Waggy Tail Pets website, you already have a solid starting point in just minutes. But here's the real question. What happens when we try the exact same thing using Claude Code? Now let's switch to Claude Code. Same idea, same website thumbs, but now let's create the Brightenate website and let's see how this one responds. I'm giving it the exact same instruction. Create a modern, clean website for Brightenate. Let's see how it handles it. First thing you'll notice, it doesn't rush. Claude actually takes a moment to process the request. And when it starts generating, look at this. It's not just dumping code, it's building with intention. You can already see clearly defined sections on header, hero, content blocks. Everything is named properly and structured cleanly. The code is easier to read, better spaced, and actually feels like something a developer would write. And it's not just one page thinking. It's already considering how the entire Brightenate website should flow. You'll notice patterns here, consistent layout, reusable sections, and a structure that you can expand later if you scale your brand. This is where Claude Code stands out. It's not just responding, it's planning. Now let's preview what it generated for Brightenate, and immediately you can see this already feels more refined. The layout makes sense, the sections flow better, and visually it feels more complete. The hero section is cleaner, the messaging is clearer, and the call to action feels more intentional. As you scroll, everything feels consistent, spacing, alignment, structure, nothing looks randomly placed. And this is the key difference. Claude Code is not just generating a website, it's building a system. So if you want to add more products, pages, or features later, you're not starting from scratch. For a brand like Bright and 8, where presentation matters, this kind of structure gives you a strong foundation. So now it really comes down to this. Do you want speed, pure, or something built to last? Now let's see the core difference. For Blackbox AI, it's best for developers or semi-technical users who want speed and code snippets. Then for Claude Code is best for structured, full project website building with reasoning. Let's move to strength and weaknesses. Blackbox AI, what it's good at. Fast code generation, HTML, CSS, JS, copy-paste ready snippets, debugging help, great for landing pages, simple websites, fixing errors, quickly, limitations, not great at full project architecture. You'll need to guide it step by step, can feel like Google plus Stack Overflow plus AI. Think of it like a supercharged coding assistant, not a project builder. For Claude Code, what it's good at, full website structure, front end plus back end logic, cleaner, more maintainable code, better at planning pages, UX flow file organization handles, React apps, SaaS dashboards, complex logic. The limitations, slightly slower than Blackbox for quick snippets, less plug and play for instant results. Think of it like a senior developer thinking through your entire project, then the head-to-head comparison, the speed, code quality, full website creation, UI/UX thinking, beginner-friendly scalability. My honest recommendation, use both strategically. Claude Code, build full website structure, create homepage, product pages, funnel, Blackbox AI. Speed up UR tweaks, fix bugs, generate sections quickly,